United and United Express. And watch your step as you exit the train. For passengers with carts and luggage, please use elevators located at either end of the station platform. Terminal 3, United and United Express.
Thank you.
Go ahead, please.
And group number 5, all passengers please board the aircraft for Honolulu.
Out.
You're going to be on the other side. You can cut right through there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aloha, ladies and gentlemen, and I'd like to welcome you aboard United Flight number 300, our service to Honolulu, Hawaii, touching down at Daniel Kano International Airport on the island of Oahu. As you get settled, all your anchors must ensure looking to see this electronic devices turned on, securely stowed. Exiting the exit row, everything must be unplugged from the outlets. Once again, please come out, seatback, straight cables, full overhead lock position. We touched down at Daniel K. International Airport on the island of Oahu. Local time here in the islands is approximately 3:25 for an early arrival. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated, seatbelt securely fastened, so the captain has routed his aircraft to complete a final stop at the gate. At that time, he'll turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, cabin lighting will come up. That's your indication it's safe to get up and collect your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening these overheads as the contents may have shifted during the flight. Feel free to use your cell phones at this time. This afternoon, we'll be parking at the G concourse, gate number 3. For those of you that did receive blue wristbands, that's pre-clearance into the island. You can proceed directly to carousel number 31, main concourse for your checked luggage. If you did not receive a blue wristband, you must see the state representatives just outside the gate area. They'd be more than happy to assist you. If you have any other questions, there'll be agents meeting our flight to assist you. On behalf of the two gentlemen of flight deck, but especially this Houston, San Francisco, as well as Honolulu based cabin crew, it's been our pleasure. We have a pleasant stay here in Honolulu, where our child plans take you, and we look forward to serving you once again on another United Airlines flight. We know you have choice of carriers across the Pacific, and we do say mahalo for choosing to fly with us. Until we meet again, we bid your fondest and warmest aloha. Awfully cool. Disarm doors, gate arrival, cross 6 number for the all-call.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day.